From its humble beginnings in the Italian countryside, Elica has been redefining kitchen ventilation since the 1970s by combining powerful performance, quiet operation, and design that elevates the space. Today, that innovation extends beyond hoods into integrated induction cooktops, bringing extraction and cooking together in one seamless system. And if you're thinking about upgrading your kitchen, whether it's induction or ventilation, Elica is definitely a brand worth considering. Since 1972, Elica have been leaders in designer ventilation. And you fast forward to 2010, they launched Feel, the first hood with sensory technology. In 2011, it was the Haiku, the most energy efficient hood. And in that same year, they launched Bubble, made of technopolymers which allowed for its distinct lightweight and spherical shape, all while being a true work of art. In 2014, the Yi was the first sculpture-like hood, which was made of crystal plant and had a very high airflow rate. And in 2016, Elica released a Downdraft cooktop, the NikolaTesla, which was a revolutionary appliance with a built-in integrated extraction system, which we will talk about later today. First, let's talk about ventilation. Here in the United States, Elica's most popular and award-winning hood is the Haiku. What makes this hood so special is that this wall-mounted kitchen hood has an adjustable depth. You can adjust how high or low you want this hood to go. This feature ensures a perfect fit with your cabinets and effortless cleaning. You'll bring both clarity and cooking into the kitchen and your home with these brilliant LED lights. And with a large lifespan of over 20,000 hours, LED bulbs offer long-lasting performance that you can rely on. It is perfect for open concept kitchens, effectively removing smoke and odors while maintaining an exceptionally low noise level. So you can cook, entertain, and enjoy the moment without interruption. And of course, they have long-lasting filters. They are built to perform. These filters are easy to maintain, they're washable and regenerable, lasting up to 3 years, far beyond the typical 3 to 6 months of standard filters. And they come in 3 colors, like white, black, and of course, the classic stainless steel finish. If you like the Haiku, but have an island setup, you're in luck because there is a Haiku Island. You will have all the same benefits, features, and flexibility that are perfect for an open concept kitchen. Elica also has a full profile of traditional hoods, like the under cabinets, wall-mounted range hoods. This is the Catania. You can see it's beautiful, has metal ribbed banding. They have ceiling extractors, downdrafts, cabinet inserts where you build the cabinet around, and they even have outdoor hoods for your outdoor kitchen. Elica pairs their ventilation options with many great induction cooktops. Here we have their NikolaTesla Invert. It is a 2-in-1 induction downdraft cooktop. These cooktops have long life filters, and they've been designed to guarantee maximum performance and odor filtering efficiency far above the average. Thanks to their regenerating capacity, their durability is from 3 to 5 years. And with their touch controls, experience the power behind the touch with soft red illumination. Multifunction electronic touch controls behind that black sleek glass illuminate red when they're activated. Equipped with an integrated extraction system of 600 CFMs and available in 36 inches, it achieves unparalleled levels of air capture, effectively absorbing cooking odors and smoke with efficiency, all while keeping the noise level down. What sets this cooktop apart is its remarkable balance of power and precision, ensuring your dishes are prepared to perfection every time. With built-in programs like warming and melting modes, you have it all. One of the best, if not the best feature is the Aromatic technology on board. There's a sensor that tests air quality at any moment of the day. If it detects vapors, even polluting vapors like solvents or cigarette smoke, where it will switch on and adjust extraction power automatically, and will switch off once the air is clean again. This is just one of the many great induction cooktops Elica has to offer from their NikolaTesla series. And if you don't want a built-in downdraft, they have the Volta. Perfect for contemporary kitchens, the Volta can harmonize with any layout with 3 different sizes ranging from 24, 30, and 36 inches. Its 4 to 5 cooking zones combine with a bridge zone that allow flexible cooking and offer different heat adjustments, perfect for delicate tasks. Volta offers the perfect fit to seamlessly merge style and performance, all the way from small kitchens to large ones with ease. If you're planning a kitchen upgrade and want something that performs as good as it looks, Elica is absolutely worth a look. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe and ask a comment in the questions below. Thanks for watching.